Hello everyone, this is Subathra Mylsamy, partner from AK Mylsamy and Associates. So in this video, we will be discussing about the celebrity rights and their protection using the trademark law. On a previous video, we dealt in detail with the celebrity endorsements and their rights, how it is being protected in the common law. So let us have a quick go through about how celebrities can ensure and protect themselves under the trademark law. So before we move on what is and how trademark law can protect the celebrity, let us get to understand the basics of what is a trademark. We have been hearing about trademarks everywhere. So trademark is nothing complicated. It is something which is very simple, which can include from a device, it can be a brand, it can be a heading, to a label, to a ticket, a name, in fact signatures, a word, a letter or a numeral. In fact, shape of goods, packaging of them, as well as combination of colors, or all these things can fall under the trademark. So basically, if you see a mark that indicates the goods or any of its services to its origin can be registered as a trademark. Now, how does the trademark law protect a celebrity? Many celebrities not only register their name but their signature, in fact their pose and even their victory celebration as a motion mark. But in India there is no motion mark as such which can be registered. For example, Shah Rukh Khan, who is a Bollywood famous star, as well as Mr. Vijay Sethupathi, who is from the Kollywood, have registered their names as trademark, and Mr. Sachin Tendulkar has registered his pose as a trademark. So what is important here to note is a person's name alone cannot be registered as a trademark. It has to be registered along with any kinds of goods or brands which they are going to be promoting or services. So there are various classifications of goods and services which falls under the Trademarks Act. According to the needs of the celebrity, they can choose various classifications and file them for their own branding purposes. So why do celebrities choose the trademark law for protection? Okay, they choose this particular law for protection because one is it enables them to enforce their own rights and gives them the authorization and ownership either for their brand or for the services which they are opting for, and it also prevents from any kind of unauthorized usage. So this will be very helpful for the areas of endorsements. So there are two key and important factors which and why celebrities generally go in for registration of their trademarks. So the first point is they are open to any kind of assigning or licensing of their personalities for promoting or merchandising purposes in the class of goods or for services for which the registrations have been sought for. So the next important point is it gives them a legal right and a validity, which is once they obtain a registration, it helps them to defend themselves that they are the owner and they have their exclusive right and nobody can go infringing upon their own product or services without their authorization. So under trademark law, it gives them a clear protection and they can go into the courts to completely defend them for any kind of infringement. So additionally, Section 14 of the Trademarks Act, it prevents and restricts registration of any trademarks of any famous celebrities or any famous name. For example, say Samantha, she's a very established celebrity. So no other person can go ahead with the name or bring in a trademark or service or a branding in the name of Samantha. It is not allowed unless and until a written consent with a no objection letter is being sought out from the concerned celebrity as such. So in the countries like US or any other Western country or European countries, many celebrities have registered their names as such as a trademark, and a lot of discussions have been held on the same in the various courts. Whereas in India, if you see, there are very limited celebrities who have gone ahead registering their name as a trademark as such. So it's highly recommended that the celebrities go ahead and register their names either as a device mark or a word mark which will be extremely beneficial for them. So to sum it up and to come to the conclusion, in the previous video which we had seen about the celebrity rights, see, under the celebrity rights, it covers everything right from the protection given to their names, to their signature, to their poses. But under the trademark law, the protection is given to them when the registration is being done for certain classes which they choose, either for promoting for their goods or for the services which they opt for. And the personality rights in our country is in a very nascent stage, and it has to grow to a large extent in our Indian courts. With the trademark laws in place, it gives them a gambit of protection for the classes or for the services which they have registered. But I think there is a long way for us to go ahead even under the trademarks to ensure that celebrities have their protection completely, right from their name to their signature and to their pose. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next. Bye-bye.